How to reactivate Snapchat account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is you have to open up your Snapchat app. After that, you can see the Bitmoji option which is in the left upper corner. So simply tap on that. So after tapping on that, you can see the gear option which is in the right upper corner. So tap on that. And scrolling down to the bottom, you will be able to see the logout option. So you have to tap on logout option and log out of the current account. After that, you have to tap on login option over here and enter the username of the account that you want to recover. You also have to enter the correct password, then only you'll be able to recover your Snapchat account. But we inform that your account will only be recovered if you have deleted it in previous 30 days. So if you are trying to recover the deleted Snapchat account after 30 days, then you won't be able to recover it. So by following this simple step, you can reactivate Snapchat account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.